Crafty people disappointed. The Hebrew word avrum means crafty, subtle, and cunning. In Genesis 3:1, we read, the serpent was more subtle. Eve said about the serpent in Genesis 3:13, the serpent beguiled me. The word used here is nasha, meaning to lead astray, to seduce, to deceive, or to delude. The serpent was punished with lifetime punishment. Many people behave with cunningness and destroy others bodily, mentally, and morally. In 2 Samuel 13:3, we read, Jonadab was a very subtle man. He gave a cunning advice to Amnon, and this fellow raped his sister. This innocent girl's life became pathetic. The result of this sin led to the murder of Amnon, and later Absalom, his brother, became arrogant and committed sins against David, his father, and was killed in a violent way. Cunning advices and activities bring curse, murder, tears, and bad history. Ecclesiastes 7:26, and I find more bitter than death the woman whose heart is snares and nets, and her hands as bands. Whoso pleaseth God shall escape from her, and the sinner shall be taken by her. The woman described here has a heart of snares and nets, her hands as bands, that is, manacles or prison. But in Job 5:12, God has a promise for his people. He disappointeth the devices of the crafty, so that their hands cannot perform their enterprise. Be sure you belong to Jesus Christ, and your heart longs for holiness. You will not be subject to be overtaken by evil people and their evil plans.